It names the hurt without humiliating the other. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ showed restraint. Even his silence could be gentle. That's sabr in motion. Gratitude is oxygen. When we stop noticing each other's effort, love runs out of air. Thank the visible and the invisible, the commute, the cooking, the care for parents, the quiet prayers made for you when you were asleep. There's a secret here. Shukr. Shukr multiplies what you already have. A thankful eye finds blessings that entitlement is blind to. Our faith honors intimacy. It's part of the trust between spouses and a protection for both. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ raced with Aisha radiallahu anh, ate with her, spoke with warmth. Playfulness is not trivial. It's a sign that the heart is relaxed and the bond is alive. Approach intimacy with kindness and conversation. Be attentive. Be present. Mercy is not abstract. Here, it is profoundly human. A strong marriage has a why, not just we live together, but we walk to Allah together. Maybe that purpose is raising children who love truth. Maybe it's service in the community. Maybe it's holding each other up in illness and age with dignity. When the why is clear, the how becomes easier. Purpose turns chores into acts of worship and turns ordinary days into a path toward Jannah.